If I put these braids in my head, it's over. If I put these braids in my head, it's over. If I put these braids in my head, it's over. If I put these braids in my head, it's over for you, bitch. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anywho, as you guys can see, I'm rocking a color today. This is my first time rocking colored hair, and I think I'm loving it. Actually, I really love it because never tried color before, and you know, as they say, any color hair fit black girls, but they were not lying. Look at this. Love that. No, this here is actually a pre-stretched hair that I bought on Amazon. The link is in the description down below, by the way. And guys, I'm telling you, this hair is really easy to maneuver, really easy to use, and it's like I didn't have to do anything because, like I said, it is already pre-stretched. No, it came with like 6 packs. A 6? Yeah, it came with 6 packs, but I only used 5.5 because I have a half left of this one. But let me show you guys. The hair is really nice, and if you are planning to just do your hair and at home and thing, I think this is just the best one to go, and it's giving you the summer look already. So this is how it looks. It is pre-stretched, so you don't have to be stretching it for yourself and all of that. So all you need to do is to basically take it out, section out your hair, and do it like I do with mine. So take a minute to just look at it, look at the details and these curls at the end. Of course, you know I use rods to curl the ends, but I'm gonna show you guys because I did a little, like a mini tutorial that you guys can see how I get it done and all of that. But I love it, like really love it. So this is the hair, very easy to use. Like every time I saw pre-stretched hair, I was always like, why I must use pre-stretched hair and them look so small and whatever. But actually when I opened it, and I think one of these can give you like 2 or no, more than 2. It can give you like 4 big braids from this. It might look thin, but it carries a lot of weight and it has a lot of hair in it when you pull it apart. Because as you can see, this is how my hair is done. I did it big, so it's jumbo. It's big, but I only use 5.5 packs. So you should know. Actually, I should count it and tell you guys how much braid this is in my hair. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. You know that my first aim actually when I was sectioning out my hair is to get it in 12, but then I realized that if it goes in 12, it's not gonna look as cute. So this is like 16 braids, and I like it. It's big and nice. I can wear it, and as you can see, I tried out these baby ears again. I don't know, it's a little vibe, but I don't like it when it's all curly at the sides and all of that, but it's a start. So you guys can definitely try this here out. I'll be leaving the link for this here in the description down below. It came with a pack of elastics. I mean, these elastics cannot be used, really. Like, I didn't use them, only for like to put them on the end right here to hold it so the plait don't pull out before I actually get it curled. But once the hot water hit it with the curling and thing, wherever the curl starts or the hot water, it's not gonna pull out. So I took them off, but these are the elastics that it came with. Sorry guys, my fingernail I'm not doing it, so sorry. Yeah, these are the elastics. But yeah, that's it. So the video of me doing this is next, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so as you can see, I finish basically, but I'm gonna show you guys how I get it done by showing you guys these two right here in the front. So let's go. You know what I like about this here actually too? It's already stretched, so I don't even have to stretch it or anything. I just need to open it. I just put it in, and that's exactly what I've been doing, and it's so easy, so quick. So definitely recommend. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, guys, until next time, bye.